In this lesson 25, in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity book, we introduce a code oscillator circuit. It's an electronic circuit that will emit a tone of about 1,000 cycles per second, or 1,000 hertz. Sending code with sound has been done for generations and is still done today, especially using amateur radio. The schematic diagram for the code oscillator circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in previous lessons of this STEM activity book. You may remember from lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to generate tones. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC to make a tone of about 1,000 cycles per second, or 1,000 hertz, every time you press the push button switch. On page 25, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot using a code key to send the Morse code. People all over the world have used Morse code to communicate all kinds of messages. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here is a code oscillator circuit using 4 resistors, a 555 timer IC, an NPN transistor, a push-button switch, a capacitor, and a speaker. Please draw a circle around the schematic symbol of the push-button switch on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you learned in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make this code oscillator circuit? 2. That this code oscillator circuit uses a 555 timer IC to generate a tone of about 1,000 cycles per second, or 1,000 hertz. And 3. How to spell and pronounce code oscillator circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 25. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.